Hello everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to use spawn and delay. Now these two are pretty similar and they are different in different ways, so let me just teach you how to use these two. So let's start off by making an example where we want every 1 second we want the output to say true, and after that we also want 1 second to print false. But you might know this, but this part won't work because this part will have to wait for this part to finish, but this will never finish because this is going to loop forever, so it's going to yield the rest of the script forever. So one way we can fix this and make both of them run is we can put this top one inside of a spawn function. So if you do not know what a spawn function does, a spawn function pretty much makes it so that it doesn't change any of this. It doesn't change the way the script works. Instead, it will make it towards anything that goes inside of the spawn function will not yield anything outside of the spawn function. So this won't yield this because it's inside of the spawn function. So if we were to test this now, then it should print true and false and so on. And as you can see, it is doing that, meaning it worked. So okay, and this is what would happen if we did not put this in a spawn function. Okay, so now it says true, 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 true. Yeah, so that's pretty much how spawn works. It's a very useful Roblox global. I'm so glad Roblox added this in their programming. So what about delay? Well, what delay does is pretty much spawn, but this time there's a okay, so this time there's a delay time first. So this is the delay time. It will schedule a function to activate after the delay time is finished. So let's just do wait 10. So for 10 seconds. Okay, as you can see, it's false, 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 false. And after this says 10, it should start printing true. There you go. Yeah. So it says 9 because but it still works. That's pretty much what delay does. Pretty much spawn, but with a scheduled time depending on the delay time here. So that's pretty much what spawn and delay is. It's that simple. It's a lot simpler than I thought when I did not know how to do this. It was really easy for me to learn this, and yeah, I hope this was easy for you to understand, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new today, and yeah, see you guys soon. Later. Bye.